Hi guys, my name is Jessie Manuelyan. I'm 21 years old and I'm a nursing student.
G'day guys, my name's Kai. I'm 17, I'm from Bendigo. I'm here to compete for the Unplug and Plays competition where we got to travel 150 k's down Bendigo Creek. Got near early to set up.
I'm ready to go!
Yeah!
How exciting!
And we're about to go to the smoke ceremony.
I feel very privileged to come out here today and welcome you all here on Jara country. What we're trying to do, it's very important to make our rivers healthy for the future for our kids and our grandkids, because that's where our future lies. We give respect to our elders, past and present, and the younger generation merging. We give respect to our First Nations people. We give respect to our rivers, our streams, the soil, the air, our mountains, our hills, our cultural values.
Today I'll be starting on the crazy adventure of going from Bendigo Creek River to the Murray River with no technology for 5 days. I just sat through the smoke ceremony and it was absolutely beautiful. Very excited to embark this journey and see what else is ahead.
Down here at the water, about to head in. We've finally set up our kayaks. Jessie's just getting our wheels sorted out. We're gonna paddle along, see how far we get.
Time to hand over the phones, guys.
Alright, gonna miss it.
Ready? Oh, you're in! Yay!
And so it begins, just like that. We're off.
Literally just got in the water, guys, and I am kind of freaking out. Everything is happening right now.
Absolutely gorgeous out here.
So excited. Kind of need to pee as well now, but that's so fine. Finished a bit of the kayaking, but this is the rest. So we're gonna have a look and see where we need to go.
All right, so what I can tell, we're gonna have to walk through a large portion of the area just to get through a lot of this thick shrubbery over here. So I'm just heading back to tell Jessie.
Yeah.
We should be able to walk through. So let's aim to get around here. Golden Square.
Kai is generously carrying my kayak because the wheels are just going a bit crazy. I'm carrying his like a shopping bag.
Oh no.
Kayak broken again.
I'm sick of this.
Otherwise we're doing fine. This is honestly the only delay.
Okay, we've just passed Golden Square by the looks of all the signs around us. How you feeling, Jessie?
I feel alright. I'm fine. Just my kayak keeps on falling apart, but
Yeah, it's causing a bit of issues with the wheel at the back. But we're just pushing through, heading up, having a look at the creek around us, if you can even call it that. The quality or level of it is absolutely awful.
Love me out.
What is this roll?
So
I just can't even
good.
speak. I'm enjoying it so much. Walking past my school now. The further we get into town, the more debris kind of left around in the area. Yeah, you can park your kayak there if you want. We've just reached this really dark area here.
I know. Kind of scary down here.
This is eerie. I've never been down here. The water down here is absolutely putrid. Smell right now coming out into Roslyn Life is just so disgusting.
Bendigo. Bendigo. There we are.
Smells absolutely disgusting, but this is the clearest the water has been the entire way.
Let's do our water test. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, so cool. Watch out.
Just onto the second map we're seeing.
What? Come from here.
All the way there.
What a trek.
So we're just doing the water quality testing over here.
Yeah, 7.
Cool. Let's do our second water test.
Well done.
There's so much rubbish in there. It's so disgusting. It doesn't smell down here, but just you can tell the water quality is absolutely shocking. I can't even imagine like standing in it right now, but you can just see it's just changed so quickly.
Walking through here, you can see the quality just absolutely dropped off the scale. You can see a lot of the rubbish that washes out from the town comes through here. Look at this. Should take this the rest of the way, honestly. Wow. This is why we're here, and this is why we're walking. There's a full e-scooter here.
Oh, that gets really deep here. I'm wet. I'm wet. I'm dripping wet. I'm actually drowning.
Oh, holy cow. Doing some water testing, is that what I'm seeing? We've been doing a lot of that up and down the stream.
So Ryder's gonna get some water. Ew, it stinks.
It does stink. And how does the creek look, guys?
Not
Dirty. And what makes it dirty?
well, because stuff has metal on it and yucky things.
Yeah, 100%. Lots of rubbish. And like we are just standing here and we are pulling up so much rubbish already.
Look at that.
Oh, what is that?
It's a can. Would you guys swim in it?
No!
This is so cute. Welcome to me setting up my tent. I'm actually so proud of myself so far. Like, look at this like camper girl. Like seriously, like the city girl, she's a camper girl.
The highlight of today was definitely the smoking ceremony. That was such an awesome way to start. Feeling like we were stepping into this challenge and leaving everything behind us.